Shanghai LangJue mold established in 2008. The factory covers an area of 2,000 square meters. Our company has a professional research and development team and management operation system. The factory is equipped with advanced manufacturing facilities and software, allowing us to offer meticulous and artistic products with international quality standards and precision in a timely and efficient manner. The main products include CNC machining metal and plastic parts, injection mold, die casting mold, carbon fiber parts, and 3D printing products. We also provide professional advice on surface treatment and process options to customers. Our engineers follow the production every day to make sure all progress is in schedule. We pay attention to all details on each step during the whole progress and make efforts to provide best quality products to our clients. After trial production, we check the finishing and dimension of the samples to guarantee total customer satisfaction and make a measurement report in request of clients. To ensure our products can meet the precision demands of clients, our company has coordinate measuring machine equipment to strictly control the product quality. We also provide good packaging service in response to the client's requirements. We provide many modes of transportation, such as air shipment, train shipment, and express shipment for our clients. We have extensive customer base covering a wide range of fields, including automobiles, aviation, electrical appliances, construction, medicine, toys, agriculture, and other industries. In addition, our company has a vigorous sales team to win customers' trust and support with competitive prices and high-quality pre-sales and after-sales service. The products are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with old friends and new clients around the world in the near future.